Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the saucy chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the saucy chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the saucy chef. Today we're going to be making long potato crunchy fries. The ingredients that we're going to need today are vegetable oil for frying, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. You can use the cheese of your choice. 1 teaspoon of salt. I have a large russet potato, or you can use 2 medium-sized potatoes. The first thing we're going to do is peel and cut our potato. After you peel and cut your potatoes, you want to go ahead and rinse them off. Now you want to get a pot of boiling water and you just want to add your potatoes in. And we're going to let them boil for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you want to drain the water from your potatoes. Now you want to add your potatoes to a bowl, and all we're going to do now is mash them. Once your potatoes are mashed up, we're going to go ahead and add in our salt, our shredded cheese, and also our cornstarch. And we're going to mix that together until it forms a dough. You can go in with your hands and mix it. Okay guys, as you can see, when you go in and mix it with your hand, it's forming a dough. Okay guys, so I had to divide my potato dough into 3 sections. I don't have the big freezer bags, but I do have this size. So if you can, use a larger size freezer bag. Now you want to place your potato dough into your freezer bag, and you want to let all the air out of your bag before you zip it. Now I'm going to do is press down some. Now you want to take a rolling pin and just flatten it out. Okay guys, once you rolled it out, this is what it should look like. Now we're going to place it into our freezer for 30 minutes. Okay guys, after a ½ hour, you want to go ahead and cut your bag open. You want to use scissors, and we're going to place it onto a cutting board. And all we're going to do now is go ahead and cut our potato dough, excuse me. Now you want to place your french fries into some very hot oil. And we're going to let them cook until they're nice and golden. And guys, you want to put them in batches. 3 or 4 in the pan is enough. You don't want them to stick together as they're cooking. Okay guys, I wanted to show you how nice and golden they came out. Look how pretty they are. So they're nice and crispy, as you can hear, on the outside, and they're soft on the inside. Okay guys, so here we have it, our long potato crunchy fries. You can add some ketchup to the side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.